Welcome to MessageWhiz. In this video, we'll take a closer look at segmentation options when sending messages. MessageWhiz offers 3 segmentation methods to optimize delivery. With no segmentation, your message is sent to all recipients at once. Manual segmentation lets you divide your audience into smaller groups, sending the broadcast in batches. You control the size of each segment and the interval between them. CTR-Based segmentation is perfect for campaigns focused on driving engagement. With this option, messages are sent to segments based on click-through rate performance. For example, if you have 10,000 recipients and set a segment size of 500 with a 5% CTR threshold, MessageWhiz will send the first 500 messages. If the click-through rate meets or exceeds 5%, the next segment will be sent automatically. Once your segmentation is set, select whether you want the broadcast sent out immediately or scheduled for a later time. Segmentation on MessageWhiz is designed to enable you to control how your messages are delivered and even optimize their performance.